Let's see what they sent me. Hello, today I wanted to do a little unboxing with you. I got some yarn from Hobby. This is sponsored yarn for a special project that I'm working on. First we have honey bunny yarn in white, then we have one more in white, then we have one more in this gorgeous pink, and then we have one in purple, and then we have one in blue. Then we have some big safety eyes, 18mm. I also have been ordering some safety eyes from Hobby before, and I really like the quality. They're easy to install as well. But here you can see it, these are in 18mm because we are working with chunky yarn. So then you need a little bigger eyes. Then we have some filling materials. This is great one because it's tested for allergies. This is a Swedish brand. You can order a big one with 1 kilo or a small one with 200 grams. This is really great to work with. You can wash it in 60 degrees. You can also put it in the tumbler. You can also guess what I'm making with this yarn. Just go to the comments below and you can have your guesses. I can reveal that this will be a Valentine's project. So go to my Instagram and my TikTok and then you can see a little sneak peek of what I'm working on. This yarn is a polyester yarn. It's 6mm recommended crochet hook, and 100 gram has 120 meters. Very nice to work with. I'm also working on other project with this yarn, but you can make big fluffy amigurumi with this one. Like so, they have many nice colors, and I'm gonna link to this yarn in the descriptions below. Thank you Hobby for sponsoring me with this yarn. I can't wait to start with this pattern. I will reveal this pattern on February the 1st. I want to make a quick and cute fun pattern with these fun colors. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel here on YouTube, and also go to my blog for more free patterns. I also have a Valentine's project from last year, so you can go and check that out. It's called Lisa the Mouse and her boyfriend Malvin. But this will be something else, and I can't wait to share more about it. I wish you a nice day. Goodbye.